going to the first team and this team. What happened after that, with all of that?
Newcastle, I'm not gonna answer that.
Yeah, you're not gonna say that. But how do you feel though? You feel good though? Happy for all this? All right, thank you.
All right, Dujuan, first game to the debut, we saw you come on and you made an impact. How did you feel when the coach called the number and said, "Oh, Dujuan, it was your time to come on for a second half"?
I was very, very happy, and this is my dream. And after I was called every night before I sleep, like listen a type of music, and I was so happy.
All right, and we can see that you're emotional after such a monumental moment. Where do you think you could have improved upon today going into tomorrow's game? I mean, next week's game.
The field is not there, but I got 2 chances, but next time I'll finish them.
How do you think these games can aid in Jamaica's preparation for what is a big Nations League game in 2 weeks against Mexico?
I would just have to focus, and then when that time come, that time come.
And last question, you play with a future teammate, Omar Hutchinson. I think Omar Hutchinson was a standout player today, and you came on and made an impact. How did it feel to play with Omar and other young talents playing overseas like you will be in a few months?
It's a good teammate, good and personal-wise, apart from football is good, and I'm happy to be with a Jamaican, 2 Jamaicans at one team, and I'll see if I can adapt quickly.
All right, good game again, Mr.